In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Wealthfront's automated investing options and what makes it a compelling choice for many investors. To begin with, let's visit the Wealthfront website. This is your starting point for setting up an account and exploring what this platform can offer in terms of automated index investing. Once there, you'll want to click on Automated Index Investing, where you'll find that the core of Wealthfront's philosophy is that there's no big secret to long-term wealth. Rather, it's about consistent, smart investing done automatically. Wealthfront emphasizes smarter investing that's brilliantly personalized. This personalization means that your investments reflect your individual goals and risk tolerance. You get to customize the input, while Wealthfront's service takes care of managing the intricacies, making it a hands-off process for you. Imagine investing that adapts to your specific preferences but doesn't require you to manage everything manually. Here, automation is key. Wealthfront's not-so-secret ingredient is their use of technology, which continuously adjusts your portfolio to keep it balanced and aligned with your objectives. Another notable aspect is Wealthfront's tax-efficient strategies. They offer features such as tax loss harvesting, which can help minimize your tax burden and potentially increase your after-tax return. It's like letting your taxes pay you instead of the other way around. This is a crucial factor for long-term growth, especially when compounded over time. The cost of using Wealthfront is another point to consider. Their fees are small, especially in comparison to traditional financial advising services. By keeping operating costs low, they pass the savings on to you, thereby ensuring that more of your money goes into your investments rather than administrative fees. Wealthfront's approach to investing is designed to account for your needs. Whether you prefer a more hands-off experience or you're someone who wants a little more control, they have options available. For those seeking more involvement, Wealthfront allows you to have the final say on your investment choices and strategies, striking a balance between automation and personal control. And with any financial platform, reliability is important. Wealthfront assures you that you can count on them, whether it's the performance of their investment strategies or the support they provide when you have questions or need assistance. They are here when you need them, ready to offer guidance or address any concerns that arise. In wrapping up, it's worth investing a little time in understanding the details of how Wealthfront operates. By doing so, you can make informed decisions that align with your financial goals and conditions. Remember, investing isn't just about money. It's about building a future that you're excited for, and Wealthfront aims to be a partner in that journey. Thank you for joining me today to explore automated investing with Wealthfront.